Starting in the transom of the boat, this boat's equipped with a 300 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury. Back here you have this really nice stainless steel ski tow bar. You have 4 rod holders in the transom for any rods that you want to take out fishing with you. On the port side, you have an air-rated live well. Back here, you have these bench seats that also flip up for when you're going out fishing. You can get these out of your way, and then you have a ton of space. Over here, you have this seat that can face aft, or when you have it flipped forward, you can have this seat facing this person right here, and you have this table as well. Over here, you have this nice wet bar with a stainless steel sink, a Yeti cooler underneath on a pull-out track. Bait prep you can also do at this station. Right here, you have your Garmin screen, your Lenco trim tabs, and your stainless steel steering wheel with your knob. Over here, you do have a head on this boat with a stainless steel sink inside. Working all the way up to the bow, you have insulated storage compartments on both sides. They do have drains, so you can use them as fish boxes or coolers. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other boats, feel free to give us a call at 609-926-0600. See you out on the water.